Greetings, my fellow traders. Good evening, all. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are watching me from. Okay, my name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. The time now is 11:01 p.m. in Biafra, West Africa. Okay, I just want to give you midweek review. I could not do it in the morning because of how things are with me. So bear with me. Let me start. I'll not take much of your time because there's nothing to waste time for on today's midweek review. Okay, we can see so far so good. God so kind. Things are working the way we expected and forecasted it will. We can see we forecasted that this will go up. So after some delays, this area is now going up. One thing you bear in mind, don't jump in. Don't jump in. If you miss a particular area of entering a trade, there is always a good area to enter a trade. When you miss it, look for another opportunity, right? So the market does not run. For instance, this one is going up already. You do not enter from here. Rather, when you see something like this, if you get something like this, a kind of correction A, B, C, then you cannot enter from here, because you may enter from here. When this will be happening, you will be kind of confused. I've been saying this almost all the time. So but to miss it doesn't mean that you cannot get another trade. So this one is going as we forecasted it will go. In fact, very many of them, USD is going down. We said it will go down. You can see it's going down. So I don't think I have much to say about all this space. Okay, you can see our blue box. The more turn from there, and I told you, once this line is broken properly, it will begin to go down. You can see it's going down. EURJPY. For a long time, I have always maintained that I will not buy EURJPY. Rather, I wait for it to break this line properly. And as a matter of fact, this line has been broken properly. So to enter a trade from here is a good idea. Then stop loss will be here. But when the market moves in your favor, you move your stop loss to break even to secure a profit. In case something unexpected happens, you will not make any loss. Euro AUD. This is what I have expected, but it's yet to mature. Let me adjust it. It made some a little trade and keep going up in a zigzag form. And this is impulse. This is A, B, C. In my opinion, I think the buying. Anyway, let's wait for the close of this low. Let's wait for her to close. But I think the selling has started. But for the benefit of doubt, let it go below this plate before we enter. Because if I go to 1 hour, let me go to 1 hour to see what we have in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. Anyway, let's wait for let the price close below here. Then we look for sell. New Zealand. Okay, let me check 4 hours. Okay, I've been expecting this pair to sell from here, but it keeps going up. But this very candle seems to me to be the turning point. Then this candle, you see this type of candle, what do you call it? It's a sign of trend change. So, in my opinion, the selling has started. The selling has started. If you can enter trade from here, stop loss will be at this place. It will be a little risk. But one thing is, it may turn here or before here. But I can tell you it should be a good trade if you enter it based on 1 hour. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour are not yet clear what it's trying to do, but I know structurally wise, it's going down. It's gonna go down, but there are no two ways about it. But let's wait for it to close below this place before we sell, right? Okay, let's move. Eurochef. Eurochef, this pair is doing something different from other Euro pairs. So, but right now, I think the buying we are expecting for long is maturing. This candle is a sign of trend change. You can see after going down, it all went up. It is nearly a doji candle, just nearly a doji, right? So get ready for the buy. Euro card. Okay, Euro card is yet to give us a trade setup. Okay, I expect it to go up to this place. Then from here we look for sell. But now the way it is going, anything can happen. You may wake up one day it will go up or go down. So in this type of situation, you just leave the market alone. If I don't get to my target area, I don't trade. I've said this before. Like this one is coming to my. I missed this sell. I was in the market when this happened. I would have sold from here, but my main target is to buy from down here. So let's keep watching what will happen. It's coming gradually to our target. So either it will break this or not. We will get a sell setup. Sorry, we will get a buy setup around here. So whether it bounce back from this line or come to the bigger line, there's no difference. We just trying to get a buy setup around here. USD card. Okay, it's doing fine. I told you that the buying is already matured. When I see what is happening here, okay, so the buying is in progress. If you haven't to join, wait for a correction to join. Don't just jump in. It's no good idea to jump in. I don't trade like that, and I won't tell you to do that. When I miss a trade, I leave it. For instance, I missed this trade. I was expecting selling, but it didn't sell. Rather, it go up. But I didn't lose any trade because I did not enter selling. I always wait for a particular level to break. So my idea is that if here it breaks properly, I will sell. That the market will turn from here. It did turn. It turned, but it didn't reach my target area. I know that sometimes it will turn temporarily and begin to go to the same direction. So you can see it now. If I have entered on presumption, and maybe I didn't protect my trade, it will go against me. So that's why I always tell you to get a good sales as a setup before you trade. But as you can see, the market is still within the blue box range. So I don't know if it will continue going up or not. For now, I don't have time to check all that because I have to go to daily chart and whatever and check. So, but right now, this still seems to me one 1, ABC, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still look like ending diagonal. It still look like ending diagonal. If I see, if the price come down with speed, then I will know that is an ending diagonal. Then what I will do, I will look for something like this and I will sell. But for now, leave it alone till we know what it is doing. So let's continue. USDHF. USDHF is going up. Just as I said, a break of this level will go up and it's going up. Though it didn't enter the blue box, but it's almost at the blue box. So my target was the blue box, but just remaining about 5 pips to enter the blue box. It's almost 10. But in any case, I told you that once it break this high, we will buy, and we are in the buy. So it's a good trade. AUD USD, what is it? AUD USD is selling. I told you it will sell. Now it's selling. Okay. When I made this, I told you that a pullback to this place will give us a sell. That either it bounces from here or it breaks it. You can see now it breaks it and it's still going down. So if you get your setup, you can now enter the sell. And you remember why I told you that I'm expecting a further selling. If you go to my old video where I went all back to daily chart, you will know my reason. And the reason is now why it is going down. Gold. Some of Elliott Wave traders are forecasting gold to go up from here. But I told you that this drop, though it is in 3 waves, but it's too small for me for all this move. That I'm expecting a deeper move. That at least it will come to this yellow line, but it will likely break it. You can see it's broken it and it's still going down. And I can tell you, gold is still going down. But I will not show you targets now because I don't have the time to do that. Maybe during the weekend, I will look for the targets and tell you the target. So gold is still going down. If you're planning to buy gold, you must exercise patience for now, else you lose. Same with silver. No, silver might not go deeper as gold has gone. Silver almost at our target. Almost at our target. So will it still come into this blue box or go beyond it? It's possible. But for now, I cannot say where it is going, but it's still going down. It is still going down. Okay. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is another trade that I told you not to miss. You can see my forecast that it's gonna come to this very line or break it. Right now, it's still going down. And in my opinion, it will likely break this very channel and go deeper before going up. During the weekend, I will make another comprehensive analysis, maybe starting from daily to 1 hour. But now just show you what to do next, that to just jump in when the market is already moving. Now, pounds JPY, I don't know why it's wasting time. I want to see it to this. I want to see it push up to this very blue bar so that I'll be convinced that the up move has finished, but it keeps going sideways. No problem. One of the qualities of a good trader is patience. When you cannot be patient, you're making sort of mistakes, silly mistakes. But when you are patient, you make money trading. So whenever I see it come to this level, I will now prepare for the sell I've been waiting for. Meanwhile, buying can make sense on 1 hour candle anyway. Let me check. Buying can still make sense on 1 hour candle. But I don't really like it. But if it can maybe, if this player can, if this player can if it can keep coming down, coming down, coming down to this very level, then I'll look for buy, because I know that that up move supposed to go to that blue box before it is not complete. So it is an incomplete sequence as far as concerned, but buying from here to me doesn't make sense. But if it drops to this level again, I look for buy. And the buy, when I buy, I will wait till the blue, it's go to the blue box. So this blue box is where my target is. Okay, pounds USD. Pounds USD is going down, just as I told you that this blue box is where I expect it to turn. It turned there. You can see it's going down. So nothing much to say about that. Pound shelf is still going sideways. Let me show you once more. Pound shelf is still going sideways. But I told you that I'm only interested in selling when it comes to this very blue box. But as long as it doesn't go to the blue box, I'm not selling, neither am I buying. Though, if I see a good buy setup on 1 hour chart, I can buy you, because a trade from here to here is a very nice trade. But for now, I haven't seen the reason to buy or sell. The next is a pounds card. Yeah, I'm getting the cancel up. I can get a whole. Pounds card. What's happening there? Just like pounds shelf, it's still going sideways. Just after I see it into the blue box, I would rather buy or sell. So no need wasting time there. Just like pound shelf, pounds card, pound shelf, they do something. Then this, if you want to take a risk, sometimes I take risk, but the risk must be reasonable. Now, I have seen this as a complete move. I have seen this as a complete move. Entering the market from this place, stop loss here, is risky, but it's not, the risk is small, and it is not blind risk, because the sequence seems to be complete. The only thing can make it go up further is if you want to make some little extension, which is I can say is unlikely. So, but to be on the safe side, wait for the market to close below this level before you sell. Okay. But if you want to risk, you can just enter smaller size. You enter the sell from here, stop loss here. If it comes to and break here, you can add to your open position. Pounds is going up. Okay, so let's watch what happens in this channel. Pounds AUD. Pounds AUD has come to our blue box. This is our A, this is B. So I think for now we'll be looking for buy setup on 1 hour. Buy setup on 1 hour. Not that you buy immediately, because it might start to do what we call expanding or running flat. Expanding flat, you see this B, go above this A, then come down, either below it or before it. that is either running flat or expanding flat, anyone. So don't just enter buy. Let's watch it first. New Zealand card. New Zealand card is going down. Okay, we are expecting it. We are expecting to buy, but it's going down. But it's still within our blue box. It hasn't gone below the blue box, and it hasn't taken out the previous low. So, and this type of trade is also a trade that if you risk, I won't call it a foolish risk, a blind risk, because there are things I have seen that I believe that we may not go further down, but to be on the safe side, let's wait to see a clear buy setup. But now I can tell you this is A, B, C. It's a complete structure. But let's be on the safe side. Okay. New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY. We expect it to go down. Very sharply, but it's going down slowly. But nothing. Nothing bad. It's going down, but slowly. So we will be watching it. If you don't like how it's going, you may close your trade and keep watching how it goes. So, but myself, I opened the trade here, but I will still leave it open to know what is going to do. A further move down, I will bring my profit to stop to break even and watch it. New Zealand chef. New Zealand chef. I'm looking for buy. As you can see, it is still delaying. It's still delaying. But I know once it's closed above this place, hopefully it will close above this place. And if that happens, the big buy will commence. And I can tell you, I don't see this trade. I don't see it going below these lows. I don't think it's going to happen. Remember, this is the lower channel and it almost touched it. So, but as I always say, nobody controls the market. You just forecast based on what you see and based on what you know. We are doing forecasts, we are not controlling the market. So that is it. Okay, I think I have USD will be the last pair I will touch. USD finally is going up. After so many delays, weeks and weeks of delays, it's now going up. So I think it will continue to go up because it have lingered so much. Okay, I don't want to touch cryptos. Cryptos have nothing changed, nothing new to say about cryptos, other than those who think cryptos is going to the moon. In this hour should just embrace the truth and be patient. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, answer questions, join our Telegram channel. If you want to learn, we have a students group where you can learn. You just only to pay little money. God bless you. Bye.